And it's now time for the business day. Caribbean Cement Company Limited is reporting that cement inventories are up, putting an end to the shortage which gripped the sector a few months ago. Caribbean Cement told TVJ News that at present, the total inventory of cement stood at 20,800 metric tons. This compares with 5,100 metric tons in August. The company said this is the result of a concerted effort to address operational challenges posed by adverse weather conditions, along with the implementation of strategies over recent weeks. These strategies include increased cement production and optimization of the company's supply chain. To this end, Carib Cement says product inflows have improved and it's now able to meet market demands, reaching inventory levels above its historical averages. It has also committed to ensuring a more reliable supply. To the stock market now. At the end of trading today, the JSE index advanced by 3,012 points, while the junior market advanced by 35 points. Among the 64 winners, General Accident, JFP, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance and Lasco Financial Services. The 34 losers include Cygnus Real Estate, 138 Student Living Variable Shares, JPS 7%, Proven US Dollar Shares and the KLE Group. 19 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $158.98. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.79. $206.34 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $172.56. And that's it for the business day. International stories are next.